movable type printing, invented by ancient Chinese Bishan, and was later spread to the world. It promoted the development of human technologies and the spread of knowledge. Yet, with the popularity of computers, movable type printing that mainly used lead character types started to wither. To preserve the only existing movable type printing that uses traditional Chinese lead types, Articollect Workshop combines warm touch bamboo and metallic lead character types, bringing traditional bamboo craftsmanship and movable type printing culture to our modern-day life. Use lead character type to create hand-pressed texture markings or show your creativity. Your hipster new life thus begins. A groove design allows changing characters inside the bamboo seal. You may choose characters on your movable lead type printing seal for a seal exclusively for you. Create your own lead type seal with unique carvings on your bamboo seal to reproduce hipster special bamboo, chic of ancient times. Using Philostachys edulis as a material, we keep its texture and natural curves in our products. Lead character type can be printed on paper, cloth, sealed beeswax, leather, ceramics, gifts for couples, birthday blessings, or business card albums, or even create a tailor-made logo. The history will reveal the truth, and this carving will last eternally. Breathe new life into this almost extinct 1,000-year-old movable type printing. Awaken Chinese culture and start a beautiful new page in Taiwan history.